Action.
Okay, I'm going to write the bigger characters calligraphy and joy for Mai, because today it's the time her music, new music of the Joy released, and she wants to learn the calligraphy, and we did something smaller already. She did beautiful work, and now we are trying to do the larger one as like the image, and use the whole energy from the whole body. And I will do two of them. One, I'm going to use this brush. This brush, since we use smaller one, we hold brush this way, perpendicular to right on small area, use the wrist. And for this big, we say grab brush, because we need to grab it, not just use fingers to hold it. Grab brush and right. Okay, we say this is a horse riding step, because for stable standing, and then to ride. Okay, dip in dry brush, dip in water first, because natural hair won't be good directly in ink. Get rid of the extra water if not dry enough paper towel, and thoroughly dip in ink. I can squat or horse riding step, and get rid of the dripping ink. When I was taking video in the Hollywood studio, once really big brush and the two guys holding the ink bug for me. Okay, that's about that, and no dripping. Need paper weight, otherwise move. Okay. When I find very dry, and slower. Even the flying white stroke shows, but energy continues. Paper is a double mulberry, so it's very absorbent. Yeah, that's the whole character for Joy. Okay, and then